I know that you'll be able to read it a little bit, but that is the menu plan. Plus, I buy the 10-pound package of ground beef. I cut it in half. 5 pounds is for the Taco Tuesday or anytime I want to use ground beef. It's already cooked. And then I slice up the other 5 pounds into hamburger patties. Put my thumbprint in the middle and season it up and put a little bit of soy sauce in the middle so that there's a salty flavor throughout the hamburger that just, makes it taste flavorful all through the hamburger. And then, of course, keep those link sausages on hand for those days that you just want to do nothing and eat link sausages. Of course, some of you have kids. You may want to add hot dogs and some of the other things, but these are things that don't have